don't forget, if you like these drawing tutorials and want to do more, check out our teacher store. That's right, a bunch of lessons of how to draw comic books and other animals and all kinds of cool stuff. Check it out in the description. Down below is the link. What's up, everybody? Welcome to another cartoon drawing tutorial. And today we are going down deep, guys. We're going under the water, into the ocean with the Octonauts. Cue the music. Okay, sorry. We had a request from Noelle in Collymore, and it was basically draw any Gup. I love all the Gups. So we're doing the Gup O. That's right, the Gup O. This one looks really cool. The first thing we've got to do, folks, of course, is get our 3Ps out, our paper, a pen, and a pencil. Hopefully have an eraser as well. And let's go ahead and get that paper. We're going to turn that paper landscape or sideways. And after we do that, we are going to start with our pencils only. And we're going to just get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is a oval. And I'm going to draw a nice big oval. Just like that. And you can see I kind of have it leaning downwards. Right? It's not straight oval. It's kind of ovaling this direction. Ovaling down. It's going to oval down a little bit. So from top all the way to the bottom, we're going to do this curved triangle. There's our triangle. There we go. All right. There. That works. See, it's a triangle. Okay. All right, once you have your triangle, and we're going to cut off the end of it so it's not so pointy at the end, just like that. All right. Now we've got the basic shape of our Gup here. We're not doing a magic T today, but we are going to go from the end of this Gup all the way to the front, and we're just going to make a giant curved line. Just like that. Let's go ahead and put the eyeball on this Gup. A nice big oval or circle. I guess it's a circle. Is that more of a circle? I think it's more of a circle, kind of circle oval. Right above that, we're going to draw a big oval like that. And we're going to put a baby circle in this one like that. And we're going to fill this one in. All right, now all we're going to do is we're going to draw a curved line, and it's going to go, it's almost like a fish hook actually, but we're going to end up here. We're going to start here, and we're going to end up over here. So it's kind of a fishy hook. It's not quite a rainbow line. It's not quite a fish hook. It's somewhere in between. Once you have this, now we're going to do a nice big letter C, like that. Make it nice and big, because we're going to stick an Octonaut in there eventually. We need some room. We're going to need some room for that. All right. Before we stick an Octonaut in here, actually, I'm going to maybe even make mine smaller. Let's get the fins. Let's get the fins. So I teach a lot of animal lessons. And when we do sharks and fins and stuff, I like to just start off with a curvy line of where it's going to be. So you can see it's not, we're doing it next to where we did our first oval. We're going to do a little rainbow. And then we're going to just draw it straight out. We're going to do a curvy line, and it's going straight out this way. This might be the only thing that's straight. And then once you have it this way, we're going to curve it back down. We're going to do something very similar to the back. We're going to draw a straight line in the back, and then draw it going right back there. It's almost like you drew, if you can see it, the letter V, but sideways. Now let's look at the very tippy top of this, and we're going to draw a straight line going up. And right next to it, we're going to draw a slanty line going up. So we kind of drew a little bit of a shark fin looking thing there. All right, let's do some three-dimensional. Really easy. We're going to start here. I'm going to show you. We're going to draw a small line going straight down, a small line going straight down, and then we're going to connect this with a parallel line. Does everyone know what parallel lines are? Two lines that follow the same path but never meet. So these two lines are going exactly in the same path, but they never meet. All right, let's clean this up. We're going to clean up this fin by getting rid of everything inside there. All right, there you go. All right, let's look at the other fins. Same idea. We're going to just draw a straight line going down right here and parallel line. All right, let's look at the top one. This time, we're going to draw a straight line going sideways. Not going down, going sideways. And parallel line going down. These two lines are parallel going down. Look at that. That is 3 dimensions. 3-dimensional right there. All right. We're going to connect the two sides of this window that we made with a straight line like that. All right, now we're going to clean this up. We're going to get rid of the oval that's in the bottom half of our gup. We're going to get rid of this part of the oval as well. So, yeah, we're going to get rid of this line here and this line here. Let's do the skis. So the first thing we're going to do, all we're going to do is we're going to throw some staples. You know what a staple is, right? Yeah, sure you do. Okay, so we're going to do 2 staples. Here we go. We're going to do one right here, like that, like a staple. And then we're going to do one more on this side, like that. So we got 2 staples. Once you got your staples all made, we're going to do a big L next to it. So right here, we're going to do on this staple, we're going to do a big L. Watch, here we go. The line goes down and out. See that? It's a big L. Well, it's kind of a broken L, really. We're going to do that on the other side, too. So right over here, another L, just like that. There we go. So we got 2 lines that go down with the staples, and then they go out. Okay. Now all we're going to do is draw out of the staple some lines that go with this other line. So it's going to follow this line out, right out of the staple. We're going to follow 2 lines going straight out, following this giant L, just like this. All right. You can kind of see the ski forming here, can't you? All right, now all we're going to do is a big J, or a big fish hook. Just like that. And it goes out of this second line. So we got 1, 2, 3, the second line, the middle line. So out of this middle line, we're going to do another fish hook. You ready? Here we go. Fish hook. There you go. Just like that. Now let's just connect the fish hook to this line here. And all we're going to do is do a curvy line, just like that. All right. Now we're going to just show the other side of this little thing, and all it is a giant U shape like this. There you go. All right. And there you have it. We have the skis. Okay. Now we've got the skis. We're also going to, right below the eyeball on the bottom here, we're going to draw a little curvy line right there. So first thing we're going to do, real light with your pencil, is draw, let's do this part. We're going to draw the body first. And all the body is going to be is a little U. Just draw a little U shape right there inside the gut. There's the body. All right. And then we'll draw a big circle head. There we go. Remember, the heads are always bigger than the bodies. So keep that in mind. All right. So we're going to turn this into an octonaut. I think I'm going to do dashy. So I'm going to erase everything inside that U shape that we did. I'm going to make sure everything, this head is all nice and clean. We have a U and a circle. So we can do anything now. I'm going to do another U shape like this. Just to it kind of looks like now it's got an arm right there. And I'm going to do another arm right there next to it. Okay. So let's see. I'm going to do a quick magic T because I want to see where I'm going to go. So here's my little T right there. I'm going to do a nice big eyeball. And I'm going to fill it in. I'm going to do another eyeball on this side. Fill it in. I'm going to do a little baby nose on that magic T. And then 2 little circles. 1, 2. Starting to look like Dashy a little bit. Maybe. All right. So let's put a helmet on Dashy. All right. We're gonna do the visor first, which is just a straight line that cuts right out of her head. Ouch! And then it goes right back. There is a cat meowing very loud in here. Okay, now we got her visor. I'm gonna erase that. Let's do the helmet. We're going to just drop a big line going down like that. And then I am going to draw, after I have this long line, I'm going to draw a big curvy line all the way around her head. So it looks like a big helmet. And I'm going to erase everything in here. Then I'm going to do the other side of the helmet. So right where this line is would be the other side of the helmet, like that. And I'm just going to draw like that. A little line to connect. Okay, it looks like a helmet. Let's do 3 dimensionals. We're going to do an extra line that follows the same path, never meets. Let's do Dashy's hair, which is basically a curved line above each eye. And there you go. I actually should look at a picture of Dashy to make sure I drew her correctly. But maybe you can tell me if I'm forgetting something. There should be an Octonauts logo right here. And when I'm drawing these gups, I don't always have a lot of room, so I just draw 2 ovals inside there. For those that don't know what the Octonauts logo looks like, it is basically 2 big circles like that. And then, so you have your head, right? And I believe it's 2 circles inside, 1 on each side, and then you have 2 going down, and then 2 on each side like that. I believe this is the Octonauts logo. And then you can erase these pieces here. I think that's the Octonauts logo. It's been a while. It's been a while since I drew the Octonauts logo. But as you can see, this logo would go right here. There we go. Dashy on the way to rescue. Ink these in, color them up. I can't wait to see you guys draw this gup because I know yours is going to look so much better than mine. But I did my best. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I can't wait to see it. We have a Facebook page. You can send your finished artwork to the Facebook page. I'd love to see it. Also, if you don't have Facebook, you can email me directly your art, and I will post it here on YouTube, and we can showcase it and say, look how beautiful their art is. But I would love to see it no matter what. You can even send it to me and say, I don't want you to show it anywhere, but I would love to see your finished art. So you guys keep on drawing. The more you do, the better you get. I'll see you at the next one. Bye. What? You want to draw more? Well, we got more videos for you to watch. Check out any of these, and please share this with all your friends. Let's get more people drawing. The more you draw, the better you get. All right, see you at the next video.